Chicken Curry Laksa, a full of delight. Spicy, creamy profit, love at first bite. Tender tofu and succulent prawns. A symphony of flavors that'll make you smooth. Spice it up with Chicken Curry Laksa. Fill your cup. Every spoonful's a burst of bliss. Taste the magic, can't resist. Spice it up, let it take you on a flavorful ride. Chicken, tofu, prawns so bland. In the so wonderland.
Some curry leaves, ginger and garlic. Brown onions, salt, chili, Malaysian curry powder, tomatoes. Add your chicken, coconut, bit of water, palm sugar, tamarind, potatoes, prawn head chili oil, soak your rice noodles. Enjoy, my friend. Delicious.